Hello everyone, Chef Stas is again here, and recently my family and we gathered a lot of black cherries, and today I would like to show you how to efficiently remove stones from it. And a simple cocktail that I like to drink on a hot summer day. It's a vodka smash with fresh cherries. I'll make alcohol and virgin version of it. So follow me and let's start cooking. First, we need to remove cherry pits. It is easy to do using just a simple wooden skewer. We need to find a spot on the opposite side of the stalk and push the pit out. The berry would keep its shape. Prepare this way 1/3 of a rocks glass per portion, about 10 berries. Next, let's make mint syrup. Combine 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water in a medium saucepan over high heat. Bring to a boil, stirring to dissolve the sugar. Reduce the heat to a simmer and add the mint leaves. Let the mixture reduce and infuse for about 10 minutes over low heat. It should thicken slightly. Remove from the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Discard mint leaves. You can store the syrup in the fridge for 4 to 6 weeks. Now add 2 tablespoons of mint syrup per portion. Smash cherries with a pestle until pulpy. Add, if you wish, 50 ml or 2 ounces of good vodka. Ice cubes, and top it with about 100 ml or 3 ounces of tonic. Decorate the drink with mint leaves. Now it's ready. Oh, what a great drink for a hot summer day. I hope you like this recipe. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.